What's up, guys? It's Jayden, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU, talking today about how to take Redwood. Let's get into this one. So, Redwood is our all-natural NO and blood circulation supplement. So it helps to increase nitric oxide in the body and improve blood flow systemically or throughout the entire body. It is for both men and women, so it's not just for men and it's not just for women. Both can take it. So for women, usually they experience warmer fingers, toes, and noses, so they don't get as cold as often because the blood is actually being delivered to those extremities. For men, they typically see increased vascularity in the gym, and a little increase in energy. Women also see increases in energy too. And then men will also see a little bit of bump in the bedroom too, fellas, from that increased blood flow. So how do you take it? You can take 3 in the morning and 3 in the evening. So the most effective way to take it is in 12-hour increments, because that is what the studies show on vitamin C plus garlic. Increasing nitric oxide up to 200% in the body is by taking it in those 12-hour increments. So if you take it at 6 in the morning, then you take it again at 6 in the evening. If you take it at 8 in the morning, you take it at 8 in the evening. You can also do 3 in the morning and 3 pre-workout. So we do have some people that like to take it pre-workout because it increases blood flow and increases the pump, and can also help to increase nutrient delivery to the muscle. You can also take all 6 pre-workout. Some of the employees here actually like to do that. I don't personally recommend that. I recommend taking 3 in the morning, and then if you want to take it pre-workout, take 3 pre-workout. But you can also take it on an empty stomach. So if you do some kind of intermittent fasting, or you just don't like to eat breakfast till later and you want to take it before you leave the house, it's perfectly fine to take it on an empty stomach. However, if you have a sensitive digestive system, I suggest taking it with some food, because it can cause some digestive upset if your stomach is sensitive. So I suggest doing that. Also, if you experience any kind of problems with Redwood, down the dose, and then I would probably take 1 every 2 hours throughout the day, so that way you're not bombarding your system with it, you're kind of titrating it throughout the day. And then that's really how you take Redwood, and it can be really effective. If you don't like it, we have a 60-day money-back guarantee that you can take full advantage of, but I don't think that you'll need it. That's all I have to say today. I hope you like this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a good one.